did it and did it, did it, did it. You did it and did it, did it, did. You did it and did it, did it, did it.
Hey everyone, welcome to week 11. We didn't have a week 10. This is going to be our long week. We're actually going to be week 11, 12 together. Covers 4th of July week and all that. So today is Wednesday, and I got my stuff all packed in already. Just waiting for Betsy to get here from work. We're bringing a regular cooler for the 4th of July fireworks, and then because we have family coming up, we're gonna need the other refrigerator to keep all the food and stuff that we're gonna have. So that refrigerator has really come in handy many of times. It's not plugged in right now as we don't need it for a couple more days, but man, I tell you, our big refrigerator in the house broke. I used that plus my old office refrigerator and got us through until the new one came in, so we had to order it. So washed the van. Of course, it rained right after, and yeah, so main reason for washing it though is I wanted to put the magnets on. I usually put the signs on the van during holiday weekends, and you can't put magnets on a car when they're dirty or else they can blow off. So anyway, it's muggy. It's not super hot out like it's been, but it is muggy. So all right, I need to put a couple more things in the van. They should be here probably in the next 15-20 minutes. We'll be on the road by 6. We should be up at the park by, we're gonna stop for dinner, so maybe closer to 8. So anyway, join us for a whole lot of adventures, as we have a lot of neat little fun places that we're going to. So let's get started, eh? Alright everyone, this is footage from the Insta360 Ace Pro. While packing the van, I packed all the mounts for it, so I have nothing to hold. I can't even use the selfie stick. So we'll try to compare the footage from the GoPro I just used here a couple seconds ago. But so far I'm really so far I am very impressed with this camera. The ease of it, the syncing to my phone was a lot easier than GoPro, and yeah, like I said, the main reason we bought this is we wanted to try it at night and for fireworks. So alrighty. Hey everyone, so we made it up here. A lot of traffic. Well, I shouldn't say a lot of traffic. In the Clarkston area, there was a lot of traffic, so I guess Dave Matthews Band's playing tonight. So between everyone trying to get off the expressway to go to Pine Knob, to the construction that starts right there, is like, oh my god. So it's now 8:30 when we're here. So a lot of deers and stuff. So our lawn hasn't been cut in two weeks, and it's showing. So I gotta do that, and I gotta take the golf cart cover off. Got the van unpacked pretty much, except for Piper's Happy Meal. And then we left the lights on for over 2 weeks. That was great. But the air conditioning, we thought the air was on. It wasn't. Debbie down the road, we asked her if she could check on it, and she says, nope, don't hear it. So yeah, to have the air running for 2 weeks when nobody's here, that would have been a bit costly for no reason. So anyway, all right, we're gonna get the rest of the stuff down. I want to get the awning out, which I'm sure is soaking wet from all the rain. So So yesterday, after we got done shopping, we did a little bit of work around here, and we got Betsy's canopy on top of the picnic table up. It is adjustable. You can lower it. The only problem is there's these little latches here. If you pull them up, then you can pivot the top, and the other side won't lock into place. So we finally got it settled in there, but you have to be very careful with that. So look into that later. We had these lights from our diesel pusher, so I changed the bulbs out from blue to bright LED, and last night it actually lit up the whole area perfectly. So we can now play cards and games, you know, when it's dark and all that. So the Camco quick path, that's where I put them. I removed some brick from here. I'm going to change some stuff here with the leftover brick. I ended up doing a little kind of a brick base for the fire pit. So anyway, we're heading off to Claire now to Cops and Donuts lunch, and then there's a like a reindeer ranch not too far from there. We're gonna hit that on the way home. So we're gonna get in a van and get going. If I had the other camera I could zoom in, but we got 4 squirrels. A couple of them look like they could be babies. Hey guys, so it's Sunday. A lot quieter today than yesterday. I don't know what the up front of the park looks like, but Betsy's been out with Piper to the park. They came back, had some lunch, and then just went back out to the park. So I am going to take advantage and read my new book, and yeah, I'm not well, so I'm not going to get into that. But anyway, I just took a decent little nap, and so now I'm going to read and all that. Now tomorrow, I wanted to go to Owasso to the Steam Locomotive Institute, but they're not open on during the week. So change of plans. We're gonna head over. We're gonna do the little Mighty Mac, the Mackinac Bridge over in St. Louis, and then we're gonna jump on the highway and go up to Mount Pleasant, and we are going over to the Indian Reservation, and we are going to tour. They have like a cultural center there with like 13 different exhibits and all that, so we thought that would be pretty cool. And so yeah, change of plans always. But so we'll probably do Owasso maybe the end of summer, early fall. But I definitely want to do it. Piper's really likes the whole Polar Express, the book and the movie, and since the real train's there, she'll get a kick out of that. So weather. Now, we had that freak storm hit last night, and it was very heavy rain, and it went away. So a few minutes ago, we were just sitting there all relaxed by our campfire, and we hear this horrible roar, and we're thinking, just wind. Yeah, no, it was just heavy rain. So yeah, it's just a storm system that's going from Wheeler to the campground, and it's just about blown over now. But yeah, there's like a river or a waterfall coming down off of that. So anyway, yeah, we'll see. Looks like the wind's calmed down though, so that's cool. Today it's chilly. I mean, it's probably 70, but tonight's only going to be 44. I mean, drops any more, you could see snow. I mean, that's how crazy the Michigan weather's been bouncing. So rest of the week's supposed to be fairly decent, you know, 80s, and I think the only chance of rain Might be Wednesday. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna go to and attempt to read my book.
So I can't.
So we just got back. We stopped in at a RV dealership to pick up some parts, and they didn't have it. So she says the local hardware store will have something that'd be similar. So we'll go another time. We don't want to get back here. So we had a lot of fun, you know. And the other, you know, the places that we went to obviously aren't going to be in this video, but we'll put links to them. But we had a little mishap. A Jeep changed lanes in front of us, threw a rock, and now we got a boo-boo. So I think it's funny is the last, like the first time I ever chipped a windshield, it was really bad, was over 20 years ago. Now that we're up here all the time, it's the second windshield, so yay. And what can you do? Anyway, so I'm gonna see what we're doing now. It's turned out to be a gorgeous day, and Piper right now looks like she's doing the activity book that she picked up.
I didn't pick it up.
Well, it was given to you. And so I don't know. So anyway, what are we doing next there, kiddo?
Going swimming, I think.
We're gonna go to the lake.
Oh, look at all this.
Okay.
Are you still on?
All right, let me shut this off so Betsy don't talk about her financial stuff on here.